you. Come on, baby. You gotta get my picture.
You never get to see an anhinga swim like that. You never see their tail feathers and how gracefully they move through the water because they're always flying away from humans. It takes them a while to dry off after they eat.
That's why he's...
Yeah, they have to. Yeah, they can't fly until they get dry. If you get near them, they'll jump right back in the water and start all over again somewhere else.
Yeah. And he had been sitting over there a half day or two. Then I saw a poor birdie with the blue eyes and the beak with 1 foot gone. He had 1 foot gone. Come on, guys. Come on, child. Come on, baby. Catch another fish. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Taking a bath?
Yeah.
With the turtle, Steven.
He's caught 2 fish already. I don't know why he's not getting another one there. And this poor baby.
He went down.